Alright guys, so it's been a couple days. I've been working on it a little bit here and there, trying to record as what I can. I appreciate y'all tuning back in, and if you're a first time viewer, be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I really do appreciate it. We'll go ahead and get to work. So as I'm about to pull my ignition system off, I'm going to leave the spark plug wires attached to the distributor cap. I'm just going to number the spark plug boots, so 2, 4, 6, and 8, and then 1, 3, 5, 7. Just so I remember where exactly they plug in at, and then get that out of the way, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start working on pulling the sniper off. We got the distributor cap spark plug wires off, sniper off, nitrous plate off. Got some of the wiring disconnected. I'm not gonna take all the wiring out until I grab some blue painter's tape so I can start marking and writing as to what was what, so I don't forget, because knowing me, I'll forget, oh hey, what is this big wire for? Alright, as you can see, I got all the wiring ripped off of here. I just got it laid over right there for now. I'm going to have to figure out how to get everything through this one little spot. We'll figure that out when the time comes. But, drain the fluids tomorrow. I'm going to take care of a couple other things to get this ready, like pull the steering column out of the way so that I just have easier access to the header hardware. And yeah. Well, that's going to wrap it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll catch you on the flip side.